Wondered where I have reached? It's Chandbali. Hello friends, now welcome again to my channel. But our day did not start from here. तो थोड़ा सा पीछे चलते हैं और देख लेते हैं हम कहाँ से शुरू किए थे और कैसे पहुँचे. Sometimes I heard the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And this time our step leads towards the Amazon of India, Bhitarkonika. It was 28 February. It was a normal day like any other day. Everything happens normally like any other day. Like the bird sings before the sunrise, the nature wakes up and the sun rises in the east. But this day was not like any other day. This day, our routine gets changed slightly as we wake up early in the morning before the birds chanting and of course before the sunrise. Yes, it was our travel day towards the Amazon of India. So before explaining how beautiful the day was, let's talk about when to visit this river forest. Because of the presence of Bay of Bengal, the temperature remains at the higher side at Bhitarkonika. The lowest was 16 degrees and the highest was as much as 37 degrees. So it is advisable to visit Bhitarkonika at the winter time, that is October to March. The weather remains pleasant that time. Now we talk about how to reach that place. As I always say, there are three major modes of communication available in India. The air, the rail and the road communication. But the water ride is the extra gift from nature at Bhitarkonika. The nearest airport is the Biju Patnaik International Airport situated in the city of Bhubaneswar. The entry point to the park is 145 km or around 4 hours away from the airport and are easily reachable via buses, taxis available outside the airport. The next mode of communication is the railway station. These are the nearby railway stations. The Bhadrak railway station is the closest railhead from Bhitarkonika. Bhadrak is situated on the Kolkata-Chennai main line and connects to a number of major junctions in the country. From Bhadrak, one can choose to reach Chandbali, a river port, via bus and take a boat directly to Bhitarkonika. The Cuttack railway station is situated around 116 km away and it is also an important railhead that can be used as a connecting junction to reach one of the entry points to Bhitarkonika. The next we talk about the road connectivity. Khola and Gupti are the two entry points to the park. A lot of people choose to drive directly to Khola. These entryways can also be reached via buses and taxis. Visitors can also choose to reach the river port Chandmali or Jayanagar first via road and then take boats from either port to reach Bhitarkonika. So this is all the information about the communication mode.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight,
Please wait for my next travel episodes of Bhitarkonika.
lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Till then, bye bye.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me.
And finally, thanks for watching.